Welcome to 9295 South Majestic Ridge Drive, Traverse City. When you arrive at this stunning home, you will see the detail and pride of ownership in the landscaping, including a beautiful English-type garden, koi pond, and waterfall, with several fruit trees, with tasty pears, and so much more. Plus, that view. From the moment you enter this gorgeous custom home, you are captivated with one of Traverse City's most amazing views. Beautiful sunrise views of West Bay and Power Island with plenty of outside seating options to take it in. Bringing the outdoors into the home is evident with the beautiful oversized windows, shimmering water views, beautiful wooded setting, and gorgeous 3-stone fireplace. It's truly an amazing home that should be toured to truly appreciate the quality of construction and amenities. Custom details throughout this 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage includes heated garage floors with controls in the garage and a large bonus room, storage with private staircase, and plenty of built-in storage space. Beautiful cook's kitchen with double ovens, built-in vegetable steamer, instant hot water, drinking water, and built-in seating area with all the glass windows to the outside beauty.